Yo, what's good, bro? So it's been 269 days since I quit like scrolling and social media and everything like that. And I just had this thought, like, why don't we help each other out? Brother to brother, why don't we help each other out? So I've been really successful within the realm of like quitting social media and everything like that. And this didn't come easy to me. So I spent like 3 years of struggling heavily with trying to reduce my screen time, and I fucking tried everything. I tried the dopamine detox, I tried like keeping myself accountable to a friend, and like, bro, I tried everything. I tried the app blockers, nothing fucking worked for me. And I know the struggle, like I fucking know the struggle. So why don't we help each other out? You, like the videos on this channel are fucking doing jack shit. They're getting no views. So I thought, okay, how do you like actually get views on this, like the videos? You like, you subscribe, you comment. Like, bro, if you do that for me, you just like comment, you subscribe, you like the video, whatever, like do all the like engagement stuff. Then if you click on the first link in the description, let me just show you actually. I will help you with your screen time. So one sec, let me fucking go to my PC right here. Then you can see. So when you click on the first link in the description, you will be brought to this page right here, right? If you just scroll down and you click on this link right here, so the link right there, right? Ask me a question, click here. You click on that, and then you will see my WhatsApp number. When you have my WhatsApp number, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. We can like talk together. I can try and give you some like actionable steps. I can help you with your screen time and everything like that. And we might even hop on a call if that's relevant. So if you just do that, you help me real quick. You help me like boost the algorithm for this channel. Like if you look at the videos, bro, the short video, the shorts that I'm making, they're getting like a decent amount of views, but the fucking long form videos, I swear, like 3 views, 2 views, 1 view, bro. That's crazy. So if you want to help me out with that, I would highly, highly appreciate it. And I will help you out with your screen time. So yeah, bro, let's get together. Two minds is better than one. So if you could do that for me, I would highly, highly appreciate it. And yeah, bro, let's fucking smash your screen time addiction. And yeah, click the first link in the description, go to the contact me page there. And yeah, bro, let's make something work.